Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can cancel your iCloud subscription on your iPhone. It is very easy. What you need to do is just go to the settings. After going to the settings, you need to click on your ID. After going to your ID, there is an option iCloud here, as you can see. Tap on it. Going to the iCloud, you can see that there is an option for upgrade for more storage, and once you tap on it, it will show you something like this iCloud feature. You need to tap on the manage plan here of the 50 GB which you have selected if you are paying for 50 GB, 100 GB or 1 TB. After tapping on the manage plan here, what you need to get is something like this. A screen will this like come up. You need to select the downgrade option from here, and after tapping to the downgrade option, as you can see, you need to select the 5 GB free option here. After doing this, it will automatically cancel your subscription from your iCloud, and it will make it free for the space of 5 GB. It will allow you 5 GB as it's only available 5 GB on a free subscription to your iCloud. So that's how you can cancel your iCloud subscription on your iPhone. I hope this video will help you out. If you have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to answer in upcoming videos. Thank you very much.